Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do a whole lot of clothing unboxing videos, between subscription boxes that are well known from Stitch Fix to ones that probably not many people have heard of. Also do some random shopping hauls, but those are far less frequent because I'm too lazy to do that now when I could just have stylists send me stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe below. I'd love to have you along for my future videos. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support and for watching my videos. I very much appreciate it. So let's get into it. Today I have a mix and match box. This is my second box and I absolutely loved my first box. My stylist made the time to go to my Pinterest, really picked out some pieces that I absolutely loved. Was really happy with my first box. So I'm super excited about this. There are a couple items that I requested because they do post pictures of some of their clothing items that they have available on Facebook and Instagram, and so I did pick out a couple of things that I was interested in, but the rest will be a surprise. So very excited about this. If you don't know what Mix and Match Box is, it is a clothing subscription service. They send you at least 6 items. I've seen some that have been more than 6 items, but the website says just 6. You do get 25% off if you keep at least 6 items. Like the other styling services, keep what you like, send back what you don't want. You only charge for what you like. This is the Go For It box. So they have 2 different types of boxes. They have the Go For It box, which is more like your typical subscription service where they send you a bunch of items and you keep what you like, blah blah blah. And that typically has a styling fee of $25. They do have promotion right now where you can get 3 months worth for just a $5 styling fee per month, which is amazing. So I'm very excited about that. And like I said, this is just my second one. They also have the Take a Chance box where they send you 2 to 4 items and it costs you $105. You are purchasing what's in the box, but what's in the box is worth at least $175. So you can get some amazing deals on those. So at some point I may try that, but for right now I'm just doing the Go For It box. So let's go for it. Okay, let's get into this bundle. First of all, they always just have like the most beautiful bundles with the bow and the tissue paper. Love it. And I will go over prices and what's in the envelope at the end. Okay, let's go ahead and unwrap this. Ooh. Okay, let's start at the top. First, we have a cute elephant print with some more interesting print here at the bottom. Blue and white top, split v-neck top here, very cute. Next up we have a navy floral tank with some white and red flowers on it. I really like this. This is cute. This is also by SM Wardrobe, so love that. Okay. Ooh, blue. Love this blue. This is so cute. Oh, I really like this top. Okay, so we've just got a blue, it's a flutter sleeve, faux wrap top. I don't have anything like this, so this may end up being a keeper. This is by Leota. Love that. Then we have another faux wrap top that in a blue with a cute pattern on it, so like that as well. Then we have these Liverpool shorts with a kind of a pattern. It almost looks like there's a belt on it, but there's a knot, if you could see that. So these are cute. There's a roll at the bottom, and like I said, these are Liverpool. And then we have a dress again by SM Wardrobe, and it's got moons actually on it. It's got different phases of the moon, so that is, oh, and pockets. Listen, if I was a dressmaker, I would always put pockets in dress, because as you watch these videos, the number one thing that makes people excited are pockets. But I really like this. I think this is going to be a really great work dress for me. So, awesome. So I am slightly confused because she made it seem like the items that I had requested would be in this box, and neither of them are. But I still really love what she said. So maybe they just didn't have my size or something like that. I'm excited to try this all on. I really like what I see here. Okay, first up are the Liverpool shorts and the floral top. The floral top actually, it kind of has some ribbing to it, which is kind of a cool, unique texture. So I do like that a lot. I think it fits pretty well. I think it's a cute, nice, dressy work top, so this is a potential keeper. The Liverpool shorts fit amazingly. There's no gapping in the back of these. They just fit very snug, but they're comfortable and stretchy. The only thing I'm not completely sure on is whether I think they're a little bit too long for me. I don't like short shorts, but I'm not sure how I feel about this long of an inseam. So why don't you guys tell me what you think about these shorts in the comments below. That would help me out. But I like both of these. I think these are definite nice pieces of clothing items, and I like them a lot. So let's try the next top. Okay, we have this Leota top, which I think is cute. Again, it has this faux wrap to it. It is one that is a little bit more form-fitting, but it doesn't feel too tight. I don't feel like, it's showing too much stomach or anything like that. And I think it's a really cute top. So let's try on the next one. Okay, now we have the elephant print top, and I think it's definitely unique. I think it's cute. It fits really well. I did just get some navy dress pants, so maybe these would look really nice with that. So yeah, I like it. Okay, this top I'm really kind of on the edge about. I like the sleeves on these, which I'm usually not that into flutter sleeves, but I think they're cute and dressy, and I like that. I love the color. I like the faux wrap. It's just not it's super short. And I'm struggling with that a little bit. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this piece. So, I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. Part of me loves it. Part of me is just kind of I don't know. I have to think about this one. Next up, and I think my favorite, is this dress. It fits well, but it's not too snug. So, that's usually my problem with these types of dresses is I love wearing like the business dress. I don't even know what to call this fit, but a business type dress that's in this style, but I always feel like it's too tight on the butt, and I'm not going for, hey, everybody look at my butt while I'm at work. I'm just not. So this one actually has a little bit, it's less form-fitting, a little bit looser, which I really appreciate that. Has the pockets here, which are fantastic. Little cap sleeves up here, which I think are cute. And this is the back. So I really, really like this dress. So let's go over the stylist note and the prices. Okay, now let's go over the stylist note and price sheet and anything else I may have forgotten to tell you. Okay, so first of all, we have the mailer to send back anything you don't want. I believe they use, for me, I believe it's UPS. So then we have the price sheet, which we'll go over in a second. And we have the stylist note, so I will go ahead and read this. Hi Jennifer, thank you for choosing mixandmatchbox.com to style you. We hope you love your box. I'm so excited to send you your second box. I started with the Liverpool Vicky short in a light wash and detailing along the waistband. Then I'm sending some tops that will go with the shorts or other shorts or pants you may own. A Leota short sleeve top in a bright royal blue top in a nice jersey fabric. The other Leota top is a multi-print, which I love and will look great with white pants. The vintage elephant print top with one button closure is super cute, as is the flower print sleeveless top. Finally, I included a moon phase print dress with a zipper back zipper and pockets. And then it goes on with how to send feedback and returns and things like that. So, okay, she didn't say anything about the pieces that I thought were going to be sent. If that's okay, I'll probably just email her and ask her. Maybe that'll be saved for my next box. There's also a whole lot of information about how everything works and the two types of boxes, the take a chance versus the go for it in here. So they send you everything you need to know, which is great. And then the pricing sheet. Now time to do the pricing. Okay, so the Liverpool Vicky short, these are $58. I loved these. They were comfortable. They were cute. I don't know if I need them so much, and then I wasn't sure about the length, so I probably will not be keeping these, but was really happy with them. I'll say that. Next up, we have the Moon Phase dress, which I am wearing still, and this is $48. I thought it fit well. I think it's a cute dress, so I think this one's going to be a keeper. Then we have the Leota Royal Blue V-neck short sleeve solid jersey top, and this is $45. I liked the top half of it, didn't really care for the bottom half of it, so for $45, yeah, I probably will not be keeping this. Then we have the vintage elephant wide neckline with one button closure, which I did miss the fact that there is a button here in the V-neck. So if you do want to make it a little bit more modest, you can. And this is $32. The anemone. Oh, I feel like I'm on Nemo, Finding Nemo. Anemone. I can't say it either. Okay, anemone flower print V-neck sleeveless subtle class fit blouse. Of the tops, I would say I think this one is my favorite. I don't know why. I just really kind of like the ribbing that's on it. I think that's cool. I don't have a lot of florals because I've been avoiding them like the plague, but I think the florals on this are pretty cute. They're not too crazy or subtle. On the back, there is kind of some ruching here a little bit on the back, which is cute. So this one is $32, so this one may actually be a keeper as well. And then we have the last Leota top, and this is the V-neck short sleeve multi-print jersey top, and it is $45. The total for the entire box is $255, and that's taking off my $5 styling fee. If you keep 5 or more items, which I misspoke earlier when I said 6, 5 or more items, you get 25% off. So that would take $63.75 off of my bill, which would, if I kept everything, be $191.25. So I will not be keeping everything, and I never have in any of these boxes because I just don't like to spend all that much money at once. I like to spread it out over millions of boxes. So I think this dress will be a keeper, and I think maybe this top. So I really liked my box. I had a blast on this box. If you would like to try it, which I still highly recommend it, click the link below and you'll get your first box for just $5, which is great. And then I think I would get $5, and that's pretty cool too. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. If you would like to see my future unboxing videos, please subscribe below, and hopefully we'll see you next time. All right, thanks. Bye.